As you probably know by now, Amazon have created their own Amazon Basic PC parts, or part. As of now, it's just an air cooler, which is on sale for around €30. Now, I don't know if the performance of this thing is good, but judging by its looks, this is really only suited for like low-end CPUs that don't require a lot of cooling. Now, this is no off-brand air cooler. This air cooler is manufactured by Cooler Master, a company that's really popular for designing and making air coolers and CPU coolers, AO coolers, all forms of coolers. And the design of this cooler resembles a Hyperforce 10R. Now, if they're resembling Cooler Master's designs, they're probably going to introduce like an AO similar to this AO, because this is like pretty budget AO. But probably going to end up performing less than this AO, simply because Cooler Master's not going to say like, right, let's make a CPU cooler that outperforms our CPU cooler and make it cheaper. As of now, they don't have a stock cooler, but down the line in the future, they're probably going to team up with Samsung or Crucial and like release M.2 SSD that costs like around €56 and costs 500 gigabytes of storage. Because M.2s are a very popular choice of storage. But who knows, they might keep it simple by doing CPU fans, normal fans, and fan splitters. Or maybe they might make cases similar to the H510 Flow and O11 Dynamic.